English speaking course.
Are you okay, Lucy? Please help me to the other side. Wait a minute. I'll bring a water bottle to you. Thank you, Lynn. Are you better? Yeah. Okay, don't worry. Perhaps due to stressful work. Your company is able to be very busy, right? Yes. There are too many things I need to resolve. I must work almost 18 hours each day. I haven't been able to rest recently. It's so bad. I don't know how to advise you, but you need to talk about it now, Lucy. Maybe so. I think you should meet a psychiatrist and talk to them. Yeah, thank you. My friend is a psychiatrist. He has an office nearby. Would you like me to take you there? It's bothering me so much. I can walk by myself. Can you give me his address and phone number? I do not remember. Tonight I will ask more and send you a message. Thank you so much. I will call and meet him this Sunday. You're welcome. Hello?
Oh, hello. Are you Lucy?
Yes, that's right.
Sit down, please.
Thank you.
When you called me last Thursday, I understood a little about the current situation. Can you talk more specifically? Okay, you should rest for a while. Putting the work aside, just for a day or a few days, the mood should be better. I can't stop working. You are always stressed and pressured, so you cannot do a good job. So you have to rest and come back to work well. Productivity will be high and you will feel more comfortable. Oh, I see. For example, you can spend a few days traveling or sleeping or resting or simply gardening with a friend for a coffee. Thanks for your advice. It might be good. Hope you will be stable. You can call or come by my clinic anytime.
Thank you so much, Henry.
Yeah, take care of yourself. Can you see Peter anywhere?
He might be going to the school.
He can't be, Kathy. I've just seen him. He may be in the dressing room. Is that Peter? Hey, Peter, we're here!
We are looking for you, Peter.
Really?
You look tired. Are you okay? Do you need a break?
I'm okay. Probably because I practiced playing badminton very tiredly yesterday.
I could see. You should win this contest. Well, today David was sick and couldn't take the run this time. Who can go for him?
I already asked Miss Linda. We need someone who's good at running instead.
Looks like Beavis hasn't joined in anything yet. Can you run as well as David, Beavis?
Okay, I think I can do it well.
20 minutes left to play badminton. You should get ready, Peter.
Okay, see you at the badminton court again. Why am I here?
The medical teacher said that you have a debilitating body and mental stress. You should rest for a few days and then go back to school.
So, what about the match?
Don't worry, Peter. We can take the first contest again next year. You have to put your health first.
I'm really sorry for not taking care of my health. I feel sorry for everyone.
Don't worry, Peter. Now you must rest. I'll call your parents to take you home.
Thank you, Mrs. Linda. Thank you, James.
Hi, Susan. I welcome you to join our program.
Yes, I am happy to be here too.
Susan, Could you share with the audience about your how to stay healthy?
Hi everyone, my name is Susan. Today I'm going to introduce you to some things you need to do to stay healthy. In the morning, you should keep the habit of getting up early, whether at work or on vacation. I usually wake up between 5:30 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. every day. When you wake up, you may drink a glass of warm water, and you should do an exercise to relax your mind. Breakfast is so important. You mustn't skip it. You may need to add green food in the ration. You have to eat less sugary foods such as sweets, carbonated drinks, and starches. I used to eat pretty much sweets before, and now I must give up. My dad used to be a doctor, and he told me that I might walk 1,000 steps each day to stay in shape. So every afternoon, I think I need to walk around the block regularly. Lately, I have been practicing interval fasting. This will be able to be difficult, but I may as well do it. Finally, you ought to sleep early before 11 p.m. Here are some tips for you. Wish you good health.
Thank you, Susan. They are really useful tips for a healthy life.
Hello, John.
Hi, Maria.
I heard you went for a physical examination yesterday. Is your health still good?
The doctor said my health condition was bad.
Oh, what's the matter?
I have bronchitis. If I don't inhale promptly, I may have myocardial infarction.
It must be very serious. Is it possible that you smoked recently?
I used to, but I ought to stop now and then.
Yeah, right. My husband used to smoke, but not anymore. And I think you should take a break at this time.
Maybe so. The doctor also said that I have to rest for at least a week and do light work. In addition, I have to go to the hospital for testing every week.
Yeah, you should be like that.
I could have been on a trip with everyone this week. Unfortunately, I applied for break and will start taking time off tomorrow.
May as well rest and treat.
Thank you, Maria. I come back to office first.
Hello, my name is Sina, a reporter of ABC News. In this program, we will learn some of the ways we must protect ourselves from COVID-19.
Hello, and I'm Nick. I will help you to list what you need to do now.
So, can you share with us?
As you know, COVID-19 is currently very complicated all over the world. Anytime you are unprotected, you will be able to get sick. Basically, we must realize the following steps. We have to prepare the necessary supplies. Masks are indispensable items. We should prepare dry hand sanitizer anytime, anywhere.
So, what is the biggest reason behind this outbreak?
We need the cooperation of the people and the government.
I agree with you.
It is important that you should keep a safe distance, clean regularly, and limit your concentration in crowded places. Let's join hands and spread the message of preventing COVID. I wish we could repel them.
Thank you for sharing. Hope you may be safe this time.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.